Makhumalo was always defending Musamseleku on social media, and Musamseleku take advantage of Makhumalo that Makhumalo she loved him. Musamseleku doesn't expect Makhumalo can expose him on television. Makhumalo regret to defend Musamseleku on season 8. People they are saying Musamseleku said Makhumalo she failed what. Makhumalo came on social media because that clip was trending a lot on social media. So Musamseleku was trying to defend himself. He came on Instagram, he've got a video. But Makhumalo came again and trying to defend Musamseleku. Makhumalo was regretting why she defended Musamseleku because that time Musamseleku didn't regret his mistake. Musamseleku said the same words to Makhumalo behind the cameras at Makhumalo's house in Durban. So Makhumalo throw Musamseleku out of her house and say, "Get out of my house." So Musamseleku didn't think that Makhumalo will come again on diaries because those things happened behind the cameras. He was saying those things. Why he can't repeat the same words they say, or the directors they have to come to shoot that part? Makhumalo was explaining that Musamseleku said it again. So Musamseleku didn't think that on season 9 Makhumalo will expose him. That's why Musamseleku and Maqele they try to expose Makhumalo about the child what. So those people now they want to play the game of expose each other because Makhumalo saw that Maqele exposed her on season 9. Makhumalo have to come again and Makhumalo exposed Maqele now on season 9 about what she said behind the cameras. Imagine guys, now they are exposing each other what their real life now and behind the cameras, because what we saw on cameras is not real. Yes, they are giving us the reality, but it's not the real reality we want to hear. And Makhumalo is coming guys on season 10. We want to watch what's going on because Makhumalo now doesn't support Musamseleku. Now even Makhumalo was on interview, first interview on 2026. Makhumalo, she was looking like she is defending Musamseleku, or she said she will choose Musamseleku, but Makhumalo regret about those words what she said because that boy said Makhumalo have to come at interview again. That the second interview, Makhumalo was saying we don't fake Makhumalo. Her sisters told her that there is no relationship because Makhumalo was believing that when you are married on Istanbul, maybe you can unite with your sister's wives, what. Makhumalo said, my sisters was always told me that there is no such a thing. We don't pretend to those things, what. Makhumalo now she is want to bring the real thing on television, not defending or pretending or what. She is done now, Makhumalo. If she want to expose, they can expose each other. Makhumalo, guys, on season 9, I love you so much because Makhumalo on all she was doing was exposing Musamseleku. Musamseleku used me, a man must. We have to work for his family. Guys, imagine, guys, Makhumalo, she was saying that woman is tired. Makhumalo is tired, guys, because you are defending a person after defending him on social media, came again and attack you with the same word people we are saying on social media that Musamseleku was very rude to Makhumalo, what. Even Makhumalo's family, when they saw that video Makhumalo did on season 8, that she was defending her husband, Makhumalo's relatives told Makhumalo, don't defend that man. Don't defend. That's why Makhumalo, she is no longer defending Musamseleku now on public. Because their family said, that's why you are getting hit the most. Because you are getting hit the most, you are defending a person who is hating you. And as fans, we get hit. You know that when it comes to Makhumalo's issue, guys, even me, I feel it that this woman, she is going through a lot. And especially when you are in love, you are defending a person who is attacking you. Makhumalo maybe can think that Musamseleku is the only man because you don't move on. If Musamseleku is out of her mind, Makumalo can move on with her life even without a partner or what. Makumalo can live her life as a single woman.